I'm now joined by two members of the Victoria Ballet Theatre, actually Executive Director and Founder Brenda Talley, and Michael Landis, who is a collaborator, freelancer, contributor. Welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for having us. I'm not founder, though, although I was a member of the founding company.
Oh, but that's right.
Yes,
that's right.
Founding director is Debbie Busby.
You're the founder of the South Texas
Ballet Academy.
Yes. Well,
Yes.
you're the queen of so many castles.
It's too many hats, but it keeps me all in the same dance studio, so it's good.
Thank you, Debbie Busby. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes.
And thank y'all for coming on the show. Y'all have a fun event that's coming up, Seuss and Stravinsky.
Yes.
And it's child friendly.
Yes, it's a great, yeah, it's our spring performance. We're really excited. The half of the show is our collection of short children's ballets based on the stories of Dr. Seuss. So it's a lot of fun, very whimsical. And then we are premiering a new Firebird to music by Igor Stravinsky and new choreography by Mauro Villanueva, who is a former dancer of the Joffrey Ballet, now freelances. And so he created a new Firebird for our company. We were really excited.
Oh, wow. So it's going to debut here.
Yes.
So a brand new Firebird. I love that we always get, not always, but that we sometimes get some really fun and exciting, kind of daring contemporary pieces that come through the Ballet Theatre here in Victoria. It's really incredible. And Michael, talk to us about your contribution.
Yes, so I'm excited to be the bad guy, catch guy in this new Firebird. So we've been having a lot of fun getting to explore like what your claws are like in the studio and things. And yeah, and that's why I get to help with that and help reimagine the sets and the kind of setting for where this new Firebird's going to be.
So for some reason I keep thinking of Coppelia with the dolls. Remind us about the story of Firebird.
Firebird's a Russian folk tale. And there is a prince and a princess, and she is captured by this evil Kochki character. And the prince finds a Firebird, and she helps conquer and release the princess, and everyone lives happily ever after.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. It's a great, there's a lot of dancing. It's a great vehicle to kind of showcase the talent of the company. And we're really excited about it. We're really happy to have a generous grant from the Albert and Mary Dick Charitable Trust. So for all of our, we have 2 student matinees as well for this performance. And so all of the students attending will receive free Dr. Seuss books.
Oh, wow, brand new books.
Really excited about that.
And what Dr. Seuss stories are you using for this performance?
For this show, you know, there's this really talented choreographer named Pearl Wamsley. She lives in Midland, Texas. And years ago, I saw a piece of hers based on the book The Sneetches. And so we then invited her, and she came and choreographed 2 more sections, Green Eggs and Ham and Cat in the Hat. And then we have added, with her permission, another section because we have a much larger junior company than we did when we first started. And so we are also doing a section based on One Fish, Two Fish. Oh. So it's a lot of fun, a lot of crazy, beautiful costumes by our wardrobe director, Amber Packard, and a lot of dancing.
And I can imagine the set design is probably a lot of fun too.
Just the whole look of it is a lot of fun to do, yeah.
So we've got 3 performances, 2 o'clock on Friday, Saturday, right.
2
o'clock
and 7:30 on Saturday.
And then 2 o'clock on that Sunday, March 8th. And there is a children's tea.
There's a children's tea on Saturday, before the Saturday matinee. People can come to just the tea, or they can come to the tea and then come to the performance. But it's held at the O'Connor Proctor building where the Junior League is, right next door. And it's fun. They have like high tea, and dancers come and visit with the students. There's usually a book reading and just fun activities. And that's at 11:30 on Saturday before the show. And all that information for show tickets and tea are on our website, victoriaballet.org.
And there'll be like a gap, a time gap between the tea and the 2 o'clock performance.
You go get some
ice cream.
Ice cream. Yeah, there's so much to do downtown. It's really lovely to have a whole day, and if the weather keeps up like this, it's nice.
That's right. It should be beautiful. I'm hoping it's going to be. It's already looking great. Well, thank y'all so much. We're so fortunate to have ballet, dance, theater. We have, you know, so many opportunities to see great
Yes.
dancing, contemporary
Yes.
dancing, and I know you contributed to Into the Woods, so we're
Yeah,
so
there's so
lucky.
much to see in Victoria.
Yes, we're
so
so
much to see
lucky
and
to
hear and do.
have Brenda here and sprinkle a little dance.
It's hard to stay out of the studio. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
All right, well, thank y'all again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And coming up, don't go anywhere. We hear from the Victoria Bach Festival. We'll be right back.